Welcome to another ABC Grab and Go. On this Grab and Go, we're going to cover the DEF filter replacement guidelines and basic information on a Cummins engine EPA 10, EPA 14, and EPA 16. All information provided is intended for informational purposes only and should not be used to replace either technical documents, manual guides, manufacturer information, or recommendations, nor the advice of a qualified personnel. While the information is thought to be accurate on the date it is posted, it is provided on an as-is basis and without warranty of any kind, either expressed or implied. In addition, the information may change at any time. Here we show you an example of a DEF pump for the Cummins ISX 11.9 and ISX 12.0, including EPA 16 engines. With the exception of a few changes, the DEF pump for the ISX engines has remained unchanged. The pump is mounted under the coach near the drive axle and is easily accessible. Here we show you an internal drawing of the DEF pump. To the left we have the aftertreatment DEF diaphragm pump and aftertreatment DEF return valve. At the top we have the aftertreatment DEF pressure sensor. To the right we have the aftertreatment DEF dosing unit heater, and underneath that we have the aftertreatment DEF dosing unit filter element. Here to the left we show you the screen filter located in the intake line fitting. Remove the fitting, use small needle nose pliers, and remove the filter and replace. Note, the filter shown here is dirty and needs to be replaced. To the right, the backflow line fitting has been changed on some ISX 12CM 2350 engines and will affect the DEF purge cycle. Refer to the Cummins Technical Bulletin 15089 for details. Place the filter, unscrew the cap and remove the filter cartridge. Reinstall a new filter and torque the cap to 20 Newton meters or 177 inch-pounds. Renew the cartridge and screen filters at 150,000 miles. Please note, we show here a 12-volt pump. Always use a 24-volt pump on a Van Hool motor coach with a Cummins engine. To the right is your older design DEF filter, which has been replaced with the filter that looks like in the left picture. For more information on replacing your DEF dosing unit filter, please refer to your Cummins engine manual. The one we used to create this Grab and Go was 011-060 After Treatment Diesel Exhaust Fluid Dosing Unit Filter. And this concludes this Grab and Go. For questions regarding the webcast, please contact ABC's Technical Service Department at 877-427-7278. Listen for the prompts for Coach Technical Support and select the appropriate option. Support is available at this number 24/7.